How many of you were thinking video editing is the very difficult task? No need to worry, I am there to help you out. Right now I am using Filmora software. It's completely user easy interface. I don't want to waste your time. Let's get to this software. The software look like this when you open Filmora. When you want to shoot for long form content, right now you guys were watching, it's going to be 16 is to 9. When you guys want to record for short form content, it's going to be 9 is to 16 ratio. Here it is 9 is to 16 ratio. You will get more option like Instagram posts, some other things. You can go through that. Let me start with the long form content. To create new project, I need to click here. By clicking here, you will get this kind of interface. No need to worry, I will gonna guide you how to import the video. It's very easy. You can see this import area. By clicking here, I'm importing this video. By double clicking here, the video can be played in this panel. Good morning, dear friends. Okay, now how can I hide it? This portion, what you guys were seeing, it is called as timeline. In this area only, we are going to add b-rolls, text, animation, sound effects, background music. Everything can be done here only. Let me import this video to the timeline. Let me keep it matched to the media itself. No need to worry about those things right now. Okay. Good morning, dear friends. From this video, you guys were going to learn how to use Filmora in very easiest and simple way. Previously, I have uploaded one more video. It is going to be slightly introduction how to install and how to edit in a basic way. I don't think so. Remaining thing which is not at all required. Then how to cut the video. Here you can see the split. You can click here by placing the timeline. The video will be splitted. You can press backspace. The video clip will be removed. You can take this timeline towards left. I think this portion is also not required. Let's split this and remove this clip. Once again, if you press it, it will go back. Then how to trim the video? It's very easy. By placing the mouse here, you can trim and increase the video how much you want. Good morning, dear friends. From this video, I don't think so. This portion is also not required. Let me remove this thing also. From this video, you guys were going to learn how to use Filmora in very easiest and simple way. Okay, then how to add text. Text, you will get lots of varieties text. You can import whichever you want. I'm importing just big title pack. Let me see how it will gonna look like. Here you guys were going to, which is hitting on my face. Let's see how to edit this one. Let's edit this one. Title, video editing. Let's make it size little bit smaller. This much I think enough. Change the color into black. Okay, now we can adjust this one in this portion, whichever place if you want, you can keep it here. Let me add one more text by Ravi. You can change this color also by keeping it black, and you can make it as a bold. By clicking here, you can place it here. Then let's learn how to add transition. For to add transition, the clip should be 2. Then only you can add the transition. To get 2 clips, let me split the clip into 2 portions. By clicking here, you can add multiple transition. Let me add this glitch kind of thing. You people might have noticed in so many videos which are they were using in simple way. Previously I have uploaded one. You can see the it can be hide the cuts also. Okay, let's Let's add effects which are going to look little bit more crazy. One more video, it is going to be slightly introduction. Yes, you can see the waves what I am speaking right now. You will get multiple options. You can go through these whichever you want. It's completely okay to do so many mistakes. No one is going to ask you why you are doing, because you are in learning stage, right? Okay, now how to add background music. It's very easy. You guys were going to get here itself in the audio music. If you click here, you will get lots of music. Let me drag and drop here. From this video, you guys were going to, you can adjust the volume up and down if you want to learn how to. Okay, let's place the cursor here and split this audio and delete this portion. We don't want that, right? And let me add sound effects. Few people might have listened this kind of sound whooshes. People beep. You guys might have heard about that. This glitch also. There are so many things were there. You can go through that. Okay. And most of the videos you are going to see, subscribe, like, share, those kind of thing, you can just drag and drop here like this. When you play going to be slide, it's going to look like this. You can adjust this portion, this one also in different way. You can adjust this one also, whichever area you want to add. You can adjust to that. How to install and how templates. There are so many varieties of templates are available ready to use. Let me drag and drop it. You will get some idea what is going to be. It is going to be slightly introduction. The end of the video, so many people were using this kind of templates. How to install and how to edit. Okay, let me delete this one also. And now you guys learned how to trim, split, and add background music, add transitions, use templates, filters, sound effects. So many varieties are available in this. You can go through that. You will get some from this idea. Video you guys were going to learn. Then in this portion what you guys were seeing, you can scale up the video as you wish. You can adjust the position also. You can use the keyframes. Right now this is not required for you when you are starting as an editor. Slightly advanced thing, increase or reduce the opacity if you want. You can add background. See what kind of difference I am getting right now. Auto enhance, which gives more differences, right? Shadow. How to remove background in Filmora? It's very easy. I will gonna guide you. In video you can select AI tools. Here in this portion you can see it smart cutout. By turning it on, you can see this portion. Click to start smart cutout. You can click here. By drawing it, the tracking will be added. If you click here, the front and back tracking can be done by AI automatically. No need to do manually for each frame and frame. Let me show you how it will look like. This is the portion. Okay, there are so many features are available. Next video I will gonna explain it to you. Before that, I would like to tell you few things. When you want to start as an editor, my simple suggestion is to practice every single day. Then only you will be able to edit properly. You can start your journey. All the best. If you like this video, try to share with your aspiring video editor. Let them also grow with you, and comment below what you like most. All the best for your journey. Thank you.